Hello viewers, welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes from the Law Office of Brian Fagan. Today we're discussing a crucial topic, common myths about Child Protective Services, also known as CPS, in Texas. There are many misconceptions about CPS that can cause confusion and concern. Let's clear up these myths and provide accurate information about how CPS operates in Texas. Myth 1. CPS can remove your child without a court order. One of the most common myths is that CPS can remove your child from your home without a court order. In reality, CPS can only remove a child from their home without a court order in emergency situations where there is an immediate risk of harm. In most cases, CPS must obtain a court order before removing a child from their home, and this process involves presenting evidence to demonstrate removal is necessary for the child's safety. Myth 2. CPS only gets involved in cases of severe abuse. Another misconception is that CPS only gets involved in cases of severe abuse. While CPS does investigate cases of severe abuse and neglect, the agency also addresses concerns that may not be immediately severe, but could pose a risk to a child's well-being. CPS aims to intervene early to prevent escalation and ensure that children are safe and well cared for. Myth 3. CPS will always place children in foster care. Some people believe that CPS will automatically place children in foster care when an investigation is initiated. In reality, CPS prefers to keep children with their families whenever possible. The agency will explore options such as placing the child with a relative or providing in-home services to address any issues before considering foster care. Foster care is typically a last resort when other options have been exhausted or when the child's safety cannot be ensured at home. Myth 4. Reporting concerns to CPS will automatically lead to a case. Many individuals worry that reporting concerns to CPS will automatically result in a case being opened. However, not every report leads to a full investigation or case. CPS evaluates each report to determine if it meets the criteria for investigation. The agency assesses the validity of the concerns and the severity of the situation before deciding on the appropriate course of action. Myth 5. You have no rights during a CPS investigation. It's a common belief that individuals have no rights during a CPS investigation. In truth, parents and guardians have rights throughout the CPS process. This includes the right to be informed of the investigation, the right to be represented by an attorney, and the right to present evidence and participate in hearings. It's important to understand your rights and seek legal counsel if needed. Myth 6. CPS decisions are final and cannot be changed. Another myth is that CPS decisions are final and cannot be challenged. In reality, you have the opportunity to challenge CPS decisions if you disagree with it. You can request a hearing or file an appeal if you believe the agency's decision is unjust. Legal representation can help you navigate this process and ensure your concerns are heard. Myth 7. CPS actions are always in the best interest of the child. While CPS aims to act in the best interest of the child, mistakes and misjudgments can occur. It's important to advocate for yourself and your child throughout the CPS process. If you believe that CPS is not acting in your child's best interest, seek legal advice and support to address any issues or concerns. Understanding the realities of CPS in Texas can help alleviate concerns and misconceptions. CPS operates with the goal of protecting children and ensuring their safety, but it's important to be informed about your rights and the procedures involved. If you have any questions or need assistance with a CPS matter, don't hesitate to reach out for a free 30-minute consultation. Thank you for watching. If you have thoughts or questions on this topic, feel free to drop a comment below and stay tuned for more insightful videos from the Law Office of Brian Fagan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. Take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.